Report grid lines, 2 methods for showing and hiding. A WCI Consulting Instant Access Tutorial. One way to align all of the elements on a business objects report is to use the grid function. There are several ways to use the grid function. Let's begin by clicking in the white area of the report, being careful not to select any specific object. Click on the Report Element tab. Then click on the Position tab. Click on the drop arrow next to the Align button and select Show Grid. Notice that when you return to the report, grid lines are now visible. To use grid lines for your design, simply grab an element, for instance the top 3 table, and easily align it to another element, in this case the salesperson results table. One reason that this works so well, so easily, is that the Snap to Grid option is also available. In fact, it's currently turned on. With these 2 options active, placing elements on a business objects report is simple. To confirm that Snap to Grid is active, or to turn it on if it's not, follow the same steps of selecting Report Element, Position, Align, and then select Grid Options. You'll see checkboxes that will allow you to turn on or off both the Show Grid and Snap to Grid options. In this dialog box, you can also adjust the actual dimensions of grid spacing and determine whether those measurement units will be in inches or centimeters. We'll leave these options both active and click OK to return to our report. Let's align another element, in this case the bottom 3 table. I can move the table element to the general area, and because Snap to Grid is active, my accuracy does not have to be so precise. I do not have to be at the exact corner of the intersection, just close. The grid and the Snap to Grid function does the work for me. Be aware that the grid lines that you see on your report do not print. They are viewable only on the screen and are there for your use in placing report elements more precisely. To turn the grid off, you can once again navigate to the Grid Options dialog box as we did before, or simply press Shift F9 on your keyboard to toggle your grid off or to turn it back on. For more information about this or other instant access tutorials, contact your WCI consultant or visit us on the web at wciconsulting.com.